How often should 4C hair be blow dried? It doesn't matter if you heat your hair with the heat every day or once a week. The fact of the matter is every time you do it is going to cause damage. So ideally, you want to avoid blow drying altogether or go as long as you can between blow dries. Another frequently asked question is, will blow drying my 4C hair damage it? The key to blow drying 4C hair without heat damage is to stretch the hair while blow drying it. Apply heat protectant as much as you can with a humectant. Ideally, natural hair oils also help to protect sear to hair cuticle. Alright, here I'm just showing you quickly the tools and the products I'll be using in this blow drying session. Throughout the whole video, you will see me following more or less the following steps. I work in sections. My hair is hair dried. This is a 2-day-old freshly washed hair. I use a nozzle to concentrate the hair flow to exactly where I want it, always in a downwards motion from my roots to tips while the hair section is being firmly held down. I got this piece of advice from a licensed hairstylist years back. Whatever it worth. I apply all of my products, given that the heat protectant is a must here and the rest is totally up to you. I massage all of my product in for an even distribution. And before anything, I always slightly detangle the hair section first. I stretch the section during the blow drying process because this allows me to avoid frizz and knots, thus minimizing breakage and unnecessary damage. At first, the temperature I use is the cold setting. Then after a while, I increase it to medium. Never ever too hot. Once I feel like the outcome is as smooth as I expected the hair section to be like, I loosely twist it up to secure it away. On to the next section, I repeat this process all over my head. I also use my blow drying session as an opportunity here to trim my split ends, thus the use of rat tail comb and hair shears here. Now check the result at the back of my head. From now on, I decided to gather all the blown out section in a low ponytail instead of twisting. I guess my arms at this point were hurting, so my patience level went down. Whether I want to admit it or not, blow drying my hair sometimes can feel like some serious arms workout sessions. And I guess at this point I just wanted it to be done. I'm being completely transparent here. Notice how I'm no longer even using the blow dryer attachment. Please keep using it till the end as you get best results with that on. Words from professionals. Alright, now I'm just being extra. I'm aiming here for a voluminous diva haircut afro. So that you guys understand the reasoning behind me fluffing my hair this way with the wide tooth comb combined with the blow dryer all over my head. You absolutely don't have to do this. At this point, you're done. And voila, how do you like it? Next week, I'm gonna show you how I achieve this texture afro using flexi rod set. So stay tuned, guys. Bye.